The first thing I'm going to do is use this template I already have and extend the neck and widen the boob area. It's really important to widen the boob area because we will be gathering this later on. Here I'm using a top that I've made earlier to see how long I would like the necktie to be. Once you're happy with your measurements, cut out your template. And now you can cut your fabric on the fold. Make sure that you have 4 pieces of fabric, so 2 for your left and 2 for your right. Here I'm cutting out the body. I thought it'd be a good idea to cut through 4 layers of fabric. FYI, it's not. Next time I would probably fold it in half and probably measure out the ends, making sure that they match. So here's a quick sketch of me drawing out the different parts that I need, and also trying to explain how I'm going to insert the chest pieces into the main body. There's your main body, and then what you want to do is you want to pin in the 2 chest pieces so it's inside, like it's sandwiched in between the 2 layers of fabric for your body. Then you're going to overlock everything, leave a small gap so you can flip it inside out, and then once you flip it inside out, you'll be able to basically have the 2 chest pieces and the main body piece to tie around. So that's what I'm doing here. This is a really easy piece to make. Once I've done overlocking everything, I'll just stitch close the gap that I've left open, and that's basically it. So I will link the video I used to create this template for my shorts, but it was really easy to follow. Decided to play around with the shape because we are ruching the sides, so I extended the sides by 6 inches and the crotch by 2 and the waist by 2 inches as well. Copy the same measurements for the back so that it matches. and overlock the sides and the crotch area. And here's just my reference point to show you guys that we want to create that ruche effect. Here we're preparing the strips for the ruching. I made it 18 inches long and 1 inch wide. And you also need to cut out a panel for your ruching. So I'm attaching the panels for the ruching, and I did this by doing a stitch in the ditch to secure the panel in place. If you don't know what stitch in the ditch is, it's when you stitch directly in a place you've already stitched before. That way it secures the panel and you don't see the seam. Feed in the strips into the panel and fold the waistband in and sew the waistband down. Don't do this. Wait until you have finished the hem and then poke through the strips. Yeah, so do your hem first and then do that. Put through one seam in the middle of the waistband to secure the elastic, and there you have it.